So I'm load testing the laptop with the external battery setup this morning, and I've been running about an hour and a half, and this battery is just running right up to its end right now. This is the input voltage, which means the battery's starting to die. It's at the end of its capacity. So go back to the other side, and you can see the computer is switching in and out of AC and battery mode because the battery is at the end. And I've been running an hour and a half, and I'm playing John C. RV's videos on a playlist just to give the laptop a realistic load. And I'm just going to switch in a new battery, and all it is just clipping it in, and it's going to run for a little while longer. I want to see what 3 batteries will get me in time. Hopefully, if it's all these batteries are the same capacity, it looks like I'll get about 4.5 hours of use running videos. So that's what this laptop's going to be doing today. So this is the second battery, and the capacity is, it's at the end of its capacity, and you can see the voltage is starting to come off. You can see how fast these things dive in voltage when the battery is actually depleted. So it was at 19.7 when I just started filming. It's 19.6 now, and 19.5. It just like drops off the cliff, and after it hit that knee. So it's 19.4, 19.3, 19.2, 19.1, 19. Anyway, so this battery is completely depleted. I'm going to switch out the second battery into the third battery. And I paused the video while it was doing this so that I could see what's going on. You press the meter on the battery and it's flashing that it needs to be replaced and recharged. So let's swap this one out. I'll put the third battery in, and the time is 7:53. So it's been running almost 3 hours on the 2 batteries. So just 7 minutes shy of it. I started this at 5 a.m. And let's go ahead and plug in that next battery. And it's full, ready to go. And I'm going to resume playing the playlist. And then continue on with this test. So we're finalizing the load test on the third battery right now. The third battery has just started its 4 flashing LEDs, which says that it's out of energy. It's 9:15. We started at 5 a.m. this morning, so 4 hours and 15 minutes of run time running this thing under a fairly heavy load running videos. So I'm pretty happy with the results. Anyways, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll catch you on the next video, and thanks for watching.